Tuscan chicken pasta, topped with bacon. This is one of my favorite sauces, and putting it on top of this breaded chicken is so good. I make quite a bit, so there is plenty left over. You can reduce the amount. I had 1 pound of chicken breasts. I cut them in half, lengthwise so they were thinner. On a plate I put 1/2 cup flour and 1/4 cup Parmesan. In a skillet melt 3 tablespoons butter over medium-low heat. Coat both sides of your chicken, then put in your skillet when butter is melted. You want a nice golden brown color. Make sure your chicken is cooked all the way through. If your pan is too hot, the outside will get dark. Fast but not be cooked all the way through. You can finish cooking in your oven if this happens. Set your chicken aside. Now I start my pasta water. I used rigatoni, and I diced 3 of these mini red sweet peppers. Wipe your pan out with paper towels or your sauce will be very dark, or clean it out, but there's good flavor left from the chicken. Melt 3 more tablespoons of butter and 1/2 diced yellow onion. Then add your diced sweet peppers. Stir this up. After a few minutes, add 5 cloves of diced garlic. Only cook garlic for about 30 seconds to a minute. Pour in 1.5 cup chicken broth or bouillon. Bouillon. 1 can crushed tomatoes. Season with 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon basil, 1/2 teaspoons crushed red pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon sugar. Over medium-low heat or keep it at a slight simmer because cream can curdle or separate. Easy at a high heat. Add 3 cups heavy cream. Simmer for about 5 minutes or so. Then add 1 cup Parmesan. You can use any Parmesan. Use a spoon or a whisk to break up those lumps and mix it up well. After the Parmesan melts, check the consistency of your sauce. If you like it thinner, add more cream or broth. If you like it thicker, add more Parmesan. I added about a 1/4 cup more Parmesan. Once you are happy with the consistency, add 2 cups chopped spinach. It only needs to simmer for another 5 to 10 minutes. I will post the focaccia recipe I've been using soon. With the leftover sauce, I put a layer of this sauce with provolone cheese, chicken breast, crumbled bacon, and more spinach. I put it under the broiler to melt the cheese. It was so good, the focaccia soaked up the sauce like a sponge. I topped my noodles with sauce, sliced breaded chicken and bacon crumbles. Take a look at some of my other videos. Please subscribe.